staff also meet with it. You also want to have some meeting with them. Okay, so there's no problem. Give us information, but something has to be written. That you are posting this solution that you want to or like the first point. You go for one round. Yes. You told me. He has an officer in that. So we received information around 11:30, 11:35. The polling was going peacefully till 11:20. Then after that, we received information that the group of people have entered in Wapong School A and B, and then they have destroyed the EVMs. So once we received the information, we have reviewed additional forces to ensure that all people are safe in the locality and no one is harmed. Also that there has been no injuries reported in this particular incident, but however the EVM has been destroyed. So we are going with the necessary case for further necessary action. No, so far we have not received any such information of attacking people, but the EVMs were destroyed.
Kani ka polling station jong Wapong School E bakadai jong ka jong Kishenrang, but B pada kadai jong ki kentai. Te hakani pada baro kayak baik menstep di kamdon ni ai kadon kanjinya sutu bakla menstep kandiat layapan baik di kalayat baik baro di hadu khatway angkau kalayat baik ka kam baro nrei hadin pada kumtu hakapor khatway lai kusan tinggi yo nok report bakala don kata kajing wan jom kita kibriu kibam itu khmat da menu kiba ya don hang ni kibadang ya terikam na kaliang presiding bat ki polling team jong presiding bat I sector officer bat I zonal magistrate ti mi thu khman kisu wan kisu le force entry nang ta kisu penpat penperalut ya ki EVM bat nang ta ki penduk lut ya kai ka kam penle election te ha ka ju kopor hi had kumbakat wei lai pinyo pada kilet sahapo sakita ki wei pada hapo kaneka mil ka polling station junction rang hangta pada ki sedang sekitaru kilet ban pen huri hura hangta bat tempat ngup ya ki tiar EVM ki bamla itu khmat ti habaki nak liang jung kisnong ru ki la penjai-jai ya ki tang ba mla ban itu khmat ki suwan ki rungbet ki penpat ha kamil ru ti nrei baro menstep kalang kalaya jai-jai bah karo komlong jongka jing thep vote de kensan ha kita ki porhi isu penpat penprano ya ki EVM omla ban itu khmat weiru ki om babun bamla ban itu khmat ti nginang ha banwat jing thep ya kata
ha kana kadurung itu khmat they cover